We're gonna be replacing a water outlet valve, 2010 Mazda 6. And it's right in there. You can't see it right now, but we're gonna continue working on it. Right down in there. And we'll be replacing that today. So we gotta drain the coolant. There's the plug down there, get a little screwdriver, just turn it and drain it. Well, we gotta drain the coolant. I turned the little plug, it's draining to my little pan. Got the drain plug open and it's draining, we're just waiting. So now we're gonna unhook the battery here to get it out of the way so I can get in there. Let's change this water outlet. So let's get those batteries. So we got an 8mm here. We're gonna go ahead and loosen up these terminals, go and get those off. Loosen them up. There we go. Get them loose so I can just pop them right off. There we go. The bracket off here so we can remove the whole battery. Easy day. So I'm back here. We're gonna go ahead and take off the battery mount. Get it out of the way because we need to get down in there. Just twist that out. This is what do we got here? 10mm. 10. Always get famous. 10. Always need that 10mm. So you got 2 more bolts right there. Had to get a little bit longer socket there for this one, because there's still 10mm, just a little bit deeper in the hole. Cleared me out some room so I can get to the water. All right, I'll finish this up. So a bracket right there holding to the battery mount. I just gotta pop that off real quick. So we got the mount off. As you can see right there is the, gotta take these hoses off and you gotta clear some space here to get underneath there. This just mounts right on top of the water. All right. We gotta start removing these harnesses off to get those out of my way. So I'm looking to pop that right off, pop that off. Try to move this out of the way, the wire harness here, so I can get right there. Right there is where I gotta get. Gotta take this top half of this off. All right, we're gonna try to go in here. Just try to move some of these wires, get them out of the way. There, just gonna pop those off. They're really easy, push and pull. Just pop, that's kind of, you can't really see. Just gotta push and pull. Push that little button in, pull it off. Easy day. Easy day. All right, I'm gonna finish this up. Go ahead here and remove this so I can get this little ground strap off there. Just get it out of the way. 10mm here. You can see it right there. Right there, the little strap going off this wire harness. We're gonna go ahead and pop this little harness off to give me a little flexibility here. Just kind of use the screwdriver, just be careful, don't break this clip. Try to get underneath there and pull it out. Oh, it went flying. All right, we'll get it though. Get this harness to loosen up a little bit. Picture, harness. All right, we're gonna go ahead and move this little hose bracket out of the way. Make it easier, trying to get all the room I can get in there. The wire harness undone. We're just gonna move this out of the way. I'm gonna go and remove this little bolt down here. See right here? I've already loosened it up. It's just this little bracket. So this whole hose, all these hoses will move over a little bit. Yep, so we'll take the top half of the bracket off. Top half of the water. Top half off, and we're gonna use some Star Rent T25. I'm gonna use here, and we're gonna take that top half. There's 4 bolts on top of there, each corner. As you can see, I got me Just a screwdriver. It was pretty easy to get off. I'm gonna continue to get all 4 of them off and I'll be back. So I got those off. This is the top. There's the water. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. The water outlet. Let me give you another example. It's gonna go in there kind of like a Mazda there, just like this. There's a new one. Got the in there. It's gonna mount just like that, and that just goes right back on top. Next, we're gonna get these little hose brackets off here and go and pop the hoses off, and then we'll be ready to take off the water outlet. Yay! So we're gonna get this little hose bracket off. We'll just set you down right there. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh, I gotta get the phone adjusted. Oh shoot! Hold on. Now we're gonna get this hose bracket off. Right there. Just get a little wrench in there. Yeah. And just squeeze and move it back and forth. We're gonna go ahead and move this out of the way. I went and popped this off. 2 things on each side. I took off the little harness. I'm gonna pop this whole thing right off. And just need to unscrew that right there. I'm gonna unscrew that. So I got it off. I'm trying to get this hose out here. Just gotta wiggle it until it comes off. Just needed some more room to get a hold on it. If I can bust my ankles. Twist. All right, I'll be back. All right, so I got the hose off. Just kind of tuck it over it. Let's move it out of the way. There's part of it, and I gotta get the other hose off this side. All right, so we're in there, getting ready to pull. I already got the clip off. Took a pair of pliers. I just got a little tricky to get in there. Slide it right off. Bam. Fluids are drained, so I don't have to worry about that. There we go. All right, so we got to get inside here, get that water outlet out. You can see where the socket is. It's a little tight, so I get an extension to get in there. That's where I'm gonna be working. I just wanted to show you. All right, I'm gonna get to. As you can see on the new one of the bolts is right inside the frame, the body. 2 at the bottom. I'm almost there. Well, I got it off. These hoses have been on there for a little while, so I had to use the pliers to kind of move them, rock them back and forth just to get them loose enough just to be able to pull them off. All right. So this was what was bad. The gasket blew out on there, but you gotta buy the whole piece. You can't just buy just the gasket. Looks a lot better, but you gotta take this piece off right here. I got a 3/4. Take that off and put it back on this one, just for the connection. Yep. So I just got it out. That thing right there. Just pull that out. We're gonna put it right back in here. Easy day. I want to make sure it's right up with the same way the connector came. So I'm putting the new ones on. There's the I just put the bottom hoses on first so I can maybe get the bolts in there, make it easier. Took a little bit, but I got it on there. She's secure. Now I gotta put everything back together, put the hoses back on. So I got it back together. I'm putting the top half back on the water outlet. I'm gonna start hooking up everything. Those hose brackets are a little bit of a pain, but I got it. So we're getting close to the end. We're putting all the wire harnesses back. 1, 2. Snap this in there. Just gotta make sure you don't break it. Alright, I'm gonna work on this. I'll be back. Alright, so we're back together. Put this together right here. It's all together. I'm gonna start. Make sure all the clips are together. Then we'll start putting the battery back in. Air filter in there. She's running good. AC's blowing good. My wife's in their car. I gotta put it's dusty, but I gotta put it back. Take the cover off to see, make sure I get in there. I'll put the cover back on. All right, you can cut it off whenever you want. Yeah, I think nothing's leaking. I've been looking around. I don't see anything leaking down there. Back in. What? Turn it off with the remote. Just press the start button.